I'm taking the Ford F-150 across the country, from job site to job site, to show you how we own work. Today's lesson? Not only does this truck help you do what you need to do, it helps you see what you need to see. If you're backing up or maneuvering around in tight spaces, F-150's 360-degree camera helps you see every obstacle, in front of you, behind you, and beside you. As the sun starts to go down, it's time to see how F-150 with its LED spotlights can make your job easier at night.
Last one. I need a crimping tool.
Crimping tool. Lights!
Crimper! Got it. I'm gonna need a little more light. Show me a flashlight.
I got better than a flashlight. How's that?
That's great.
All right.
Those are super bright.
LED too, so you can leave them on for hours. You're not gonna kill the battery. F-150 innovations like these help you look all around you in a tight spot. They even help you look around in the dark. Because the Ford F-150 is always looking ahead.